Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking through a quick video tour of our Volvo XC60. So this is our 2009 Volvo XC60. It's the SE Lux all-wheel drive. It's covered just over 136,000 miles from new. However, it's got 13 service stamps in the book with a folder full of invoices for work that's been done over the years. A lot of the stamps are main dealer as well, so it's definitely been looked after. Whilst on our care, we've done disc and pads all round, replaced the rear differential for a reconditioned one, given it a service, fresher material with no advisories, and also carried out the recalls with Volvo that came back with a clean health check as well. Overall, the car's in good condition for the age and mileage. It is a 09 plate that has covered some miles, so you do have a couple of little marks on the paintwork and the alloys, but I think you've got to expect that with this sort of mileage. But honestly, it is in good condition for the age and mileage. Tyres are all good as well, plenty of tread left on those. Interior is in really good condition. You've got AM, FM radio, aux input, cruise control, steering wheel controls. It's an automatic gearbox with the 2.4 5-cylinder diesel. Really nice engines, very reliable. You've got power seats in the front with memory function for the drivers. Power fold mirrors. Privacy glass in the rear. Good bit of legroom. These are very practical motors, these. Very comfortable to drive as well. Huge boot to match. Loads of space in there. Very nice, tidy motor. Clearly been looked after. We've just given it a bit of a spruce up with the new disc and pads, the reconditioned rear differential, and giving it a service. Overall, really nice looking motor, good spec for the age, very comfortable, reliable engine, very nice motor. As always, if you like this sort of stock, why not check out our website? Everything's listed on there. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.